Hey, Jim, Katie, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to talk about your website and how we can improve. I typed in landscaping Albuquerque, New Mexico on the URL, but before we get to that, I just want to say a little bit about myself. I love doing what I do. I enjoy helping small businesses grow, and with that being said, let's just get to it. So when I type in landscaping Albuquerque, New Mexico, I go to the first page, and then I go to the second page, and I find your website on position number 13, Hilltop Landscaping. Now, I really like the content on this website. Looks very nice. I like how you have xeriscape here and your tree care. Everything's just kind of laid out really nice. I like the picture and everything. That's a really nice picture. Um, I do also like the content that you have here and down here at the footer. That's really nice. But for content wise, what Google really loves is 1500 to 2000 words, preferably 1500. Because if you go above 1500, it looks a little bit too spammy and Google don't really like that. So let's take a look at yours. You got 312 words. Now, have you mind you're ranked number 13. So in content, you have 312 words. Now, let's look at your competitors real quick. And we are on the first page of Google. And your top competitor there is Two Brothers Landscaping. Let's take a look at them. And let's look at their site. Not too much content. Let's see what the numbers are. Now they got a little bit more words than you, and that could be why. But that's definitely we can blow them out of the water with adding more than they got. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, backlinks are not created equal. This right here is what we call Ahrefs, and it's a tool where we can look up different backlinks, organic keywords, and basically define the traffic that we're looking up for you on any site. So I took the liberty of pulling up yours, hilltoplandscaping.com, and I also got your competitors pulled up here. And wow, it looks like they have 1K of traffic value and paid pay per click, and you have 856. Could be could be why they're beating you. You have 1,000 organic keywords. They have 112 organic keywords. So more of their words have more power in this, and that's probably why they're ranking above you. So we would definitely want to look at your site and see how we can beat them organically. So that way you can end up right here on the first page. So, I mean, we have access to all this stuff, so definitely we can outrank these guys, no problem. And also, if you look up here, this is the GMB, the Google My Business, the map pack, and you get a lot of clicks up here um, as well as the organics down here. So when you click on here, let's see where they're positioned at here. So if you look here, red shovel, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're in the sixth position on the map pack, so they're not very low down there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And you guys are ranked 13th position on the map pack as well. Now, there's different ways on how we can rank for in the map pack as well. Now, the ways that you can rank in the map pack is basically the content that we provide within the map pack. Now, Red Shovel, for instance, they have probably more photos saved to their gallery and whatnot, and their content is on point and put in there properly, and that's pretty much how they rank up there. And also they have a Google ad running, so that keeps them up there as well. So, but with that being said, I mean, on that note, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to hear from you soon. If you like somebody to take a look at this, I'll be more than happy to do it for you. No problem. Feel free to give me a call. My name's Joshua Gutierrez. You can call me at 505 331 7995. And then you can reach my email address, which is scenic spark, SEO, at gmail.com. That is scenic spark, SEO, at gmail.com. Thank you so much, Jim and Katie, and have a wonderful day.